Okay guys, here we are at 1.2.1, which is the profit or loss on the sale of the delivery vehicle. So if we scroll down here, it says, here are your fixed assets. Vehicles are depreciated at 20% per annum on a diminishing balance method. Also, the more important part, an old delivery vehicle with a carrying value of 170,000 on 1 March 2021 was sold for 140,000 Rand on 1 December 2021. This is important because this is the asset that you sold. So we need to calculate whether it was sold at a profit or a loss. Now, you have to calculate depreciation first up until the day that it was sold. So that means we need to calculate depreciation from 1 March 2021 to 1 December 2021. Now, that's 9 months. So we need to calculate depreciation for 9 months. Now, because the method is on carrying value, we don't really need anything else. So we can say the carrying value of the asset at the start of the year, which is 170,000, multiplied by 20%, which is 0.2, and we're going to multiply that by the number of months we owned it for, because we didn't own it for a full year, so we have to show that it was owned for only 9 out of the 12 months. We know now depreciation up until the day it was sold was 25,500. Now remember, if you want carrying value, you have to say cost price minus accumulated depreciation. That gives us carrying value. So we need to know what's the carrying value on the day you sold it. However, we have carrying value at the start of the year and we have the additional depreciation. So to get the carrying value, we're just going to say 170,000 minus the additional depreciation for the year, which gives us 144,500. Now, this is your carrying value on the day you sell it, so 1 December 2021. However, how much did you sell it for? You sold it for 140,000, but its carrying value is 144,500, which means you sold it for less than what it was actually worth. So that means you have made a loss of 4,500 Rand.